Hey, Obina, I told you I'm older than you, I'm richer than you, I have more money than you, I can help you. Naweza fungua radio station na nikuandike kama kitabu. Idiot. Bwana. Hii ni sanduku ya kwanza. Sanduku ya, this is, you know how much this is? Idiot. That is 13 million. I've worked my ass off for 16 years. I made my first 3 million in 2008. Ado uko primary. Unakojoa, unakunia kwa diapers. That is, you know how much this is? That's the second one. This is the third one. This is the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Idiot, your entire family. Conman, idiot, mwizi, Nigerian fake. Don't ever address me. Don't ever address me, idiot. Unaongelesha nani? Kwanza kabisa unaongelesha nani? Don't you ever address me, idiot. This is money. This is money. Hii ndio pesa sasa. This is money. This is money. This is money. This is money. Umesikia? This is money, bwana. This is money, bwana. Bwana, this is money, bwana. Bwana, this is money. Idiot. Idiot, this is money. 16 years worth of working. I'm not a conman. Idiot. Hiyo ni sitting room too. Hiyo ni sitting room too. Wacha nikuonyeshe bedroom. Hey, idiot. Don't ever talk or mention my name. Ishi kwa pesa. Nalala kwa pesa. Idiot. Ona duvet. Ona duvet. Ona duvet. Ona duvet. Duvet. Don't ever talk to me. And don't ever address me. Bye-bye. Okay? I'm okay. Uko sawa? Yeah, niko sawa. Pina, you are full of shit. Jen, auku nini, auku empty nini hawa, auku empty dustbin, kuja enda tupai takataka. I give people unga out of my hard-earned cash, my sweat. I've worked for 16 years. 16 years. Nikipeana unga ni pesa yangu. There's no one behind me. There's no politician. Mimi si wa Azimio, mimi si wa UDA, mimi ni Eric Otieno Omondi.